Sir Isaac Newton was a man of science, a genius whose discoveries and theories transformed our understanding of the natural world. Born in 1642 in Lincolnshire, England, he grew up in a world of political and social upheaval, but he found solace in the study of mathematics and science. As a young man, Newton developed a passion for the works of great scientists and mathematicians of the past. He was particularly drawn to the works of Galileo Galilei and Johannes Kepler, whose observations of the motion of the planets had challenged the prevailing views of the universe. In 1687, Newton published his most famous work, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, or Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy. This book laid out the laws of motion and the law of universal gravitation, which would go on to become the basis of modern physics. The laws of motion describe the relationship between an object's motion and the forces acting upon it. They state that an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will remain in motion with a constant velocity, unless acted upon by an external force. They also describe the relationship between an object's mass, acceleration, and the forces acting upon it. The law of universal gravitation, on the other hand, describes the force of attraction between any two objects in the universe. It states that the force of gravity between two objects is proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. These laws and principles revolutionized our understanding of the natural world, and they provided a mathematical framework for explaining the motion of the planets, the tides, and other phenomena. But Newton's contributions to science did not stop there. He also made important contributions to the study of optics, including the discovery that white light is made up of a spectrum of colors. He developed a reflecting telescope, which used mirrors rather than lenses to gather and focus light, and he made important advances in the field of calculus. Despite his groundbreaking discoveries, Newton was a complex and at times difficult man. He was often reclusive and secretive, and he had a prickly relationship with other scientists and intellectuals of his time. In his later years, Newton became involved in politics and was appointed to a series of high-ranking government positions. He was known for his strict views on religion and morality, and he devoted considerable time and energy to the study of the Bible and the interpretation of biblical prophecy. In the end, Newton's legacy would be secure. His laws and principles would go on to become the foundation of modern physics, and his work in optics and mathematics would inspire future generations of scientists and thinkers. Today, Newton is remembered as one of the greatest scientists of all time, a man whose discoveries and theories transformed our understanding of the universe. His legacy is a testament to the power of scientific inquiry and the importance of perseverance in the face of great challenges.